Alright, welcome back to Iron Rain Fishing. We're out here on Buck Lake catching some nice decent fish. Caught this one on a 3/8 ounce stealth jig. Ryder's behind the camera right now. We're going to be fishing this lake. We're going to be fishing docks because we tried frog fishing earlier and nothing was biting. Other members of the team are Tavian Homework, Jonathan Olson, and Carter Smith. We'll try to make videos with them later, but right now I'm with Ryder. And we're currently fishing these docks up here, casting, seeing if we can get anything else along the back. I think there's one right there. Maybe not. We'll catch. Alright guys, so we're back at Buck Lake. We're gonna fish this water. It's kind of nice today. I'm with Ryder again, but he sucks at fishing. So yeah, we're gonna take these out. Don't you dare shut the car. Dude, I need my thing.
You just locked the door.
Thanks, asshole. Now I'm hooked.
You're not hooked.
This is actually a pain in my ass.
Why is that sitting out?
Dude, that doesn't even go in my tackle box.
It's all walleye bait.
Anyway, do I trust you with that?
That was my
There goes your glasses.
Yeah, you do.
Anyway.
We got a glass on the ground. My grand. That was the worst cast ever.
You're supposed to cast it in towards shore. Watch him get blown up on though.
In?
Yeah, like.
Where's the camera facing you?
It's not facing me, it's facing the water. How is there no fish over there? Huh?
You gotta get used to casting bait.
Yeah, you do.
Why can't you cast sideways?
Oh yeah. There we go.
What are you using?
I'm just using the jig. Gonna see if I can eat one through the grass. See if they're hiding through the grass.
That's what grass.
Yeah, that'll happen.
Going out.
I know.
Check grandpa.
Probably. There's a fish there. This jig is gone.
Oh, I got him.
You do?
Missed him.
Really?
Yes. We're over there, right next to me.
Right there?
Here, go back there. You missed it. Hey, go back. Make sure to get it.
Mike.
They keep competing.
Ow! Okay, let's see it.
Like, slurped it up.
Sure it wasn't the weeds?
Yes. I don't think the time's back there.
Right here?
Yeah, like right there.
Alright, we'll see if I can. If I hook him up.
He has like 3.
He might have felt the hook. I'm gonna switch to a bait. A different bait. I am going to switch to a. Let's go with the key. Let's see how much longer. It's actually shorter than the trench hog, but this trench hog is good, so we'll save it. Put it right here. Put your actual hook up.
Let's go in there by that creek.
That's literally like. Fuck. Well, we're floating in here, aren't we? Set that hook! You got one? Is it a bass?
Yeah.
Did he come off? Oh, it's a pike. Ick.
Okay guys, welcome back. Logan's got a nice fish.
Yeah, it's about a pound and 2 ounces. Caught it on this kinky beaver. Actually, I don't remember the colors, but if you guys want to link, or if you guys want to know everything that we use, we'll put a link in the description of what we use, etc. So we're not leaving you out. This fucking fish ruins. God damn it. I'm gonna have to hook it upside down.
Well, we're back here in.
It's got a nice bass on a rivet frog. Oh yeah, that's a piggy. That is a piggy. It's about a 2-pounder. Rivet frog. Probably some of the best baits you can use. Gotta go. That was not a bad fish.